Welcome to this quick tutorial of editing nodes in a tree view. You can edit them in the designer like so, and you can also edit them at runtime. In order to do that, you need to have a certain property enabled, which is called LabelEdit. It's right here, so I've got LabelEdit set to true, and let me show you what that looks like at runtime. Here are our nodes. I'm going to click on one, wait a little bit, and then click again so I can edit it. The other way to edit one is to click on it and press F2, so then I can edit again. Now, the next thing I wanted to show is, let's say you wanted to not be able to edit nodes based on a certain property, let's say maybe the text of the node. So you can go to the BeforeLabelEdit event of the tree view. And here you can see I have some code here. So it checks to see the text of the node. If the text of the node is name, then it sets cancel edit to true. So if the text of the node is name, you are unable to edit the text of the node. And I also have a button on my page which just simply takes the first node and sets its text to name. So let's try that out. So let's press my button. It sets the text of the node to name, and now if I click on it, I cannot edit it. However, I can edit all of the other nodes.